Hello students, this is Mrs. Miller, and the purpose of this video is to share my response to question number 1 from our I-Step Practice Blogging Can Help. Okay? The first question says, research shows that blogging can be helpful. Explain why some people think teens should not blog. Support your answer with details from the article. Well, I have my article in front of me here, and I remember from the previous video when I read it, I underlined the reasons why some people were not in support of blogging. So I'm going to write my response. If you missed this question on our practice, please write along with me, or you can watch this video first and then come up with your own response. Okay? Some people think teens should not blog because blogging can be unsafe. Now, I know that some of us were feeling like we shouldn't use the word because in our answers, but with this kind of question where it says explain why, well, I want to restate and answer my question. And when we have the question why, we use the word because. So some people think teens should not blog because blogging can be unsafe. Now I'm going to use some specific details from the text to support my answer. In the article, Teenage Blogs Stop the Presses, the author states that blogging, I'm going to put it in quotation marks because I'm taking it word for word out of the text, blogging can be dangerous for a teen. Okay, so I took it word for word out of the text, so I used my quotation marks. Now I need another piece of evidence to show that blogging can be unsafe. Okay, the author also states that there are online predators who seek out teens and try to gain information from them. Again, I took this word for word from the text, so I put it in quotation marks. And now my concluding sentence. These details show that teens shouldn't blog because it can be hazardous. And what I did was, instead of just using the word dangerous over and over again, I used the word unsafe here. Then the detail from the text was dangerous, and I used another synonym right here, which was hazardous. Let me read through my response and make sure I am satisfied with it. Some people think teens should not blog because blogging can be unsafe. In the article, Teenage Blogs Stop the Presses, the author states that blogging can be dangerous for a teen. The author also states that there are online predators who seek out teens and try to gain information from them. These details show that teens shouldn't blog because it can be hazardous. I am satisfied, and this is a 2-point response.